Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today we are going to try out a healthy and easy breakfast option using oats and eggs. I'm calling it Oats Omelette. The detailed ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Let's have a look at the ingredients required to make this dish. I've got some oats flour in here. Oats flour is basically oats which I have powdered. I've kept it ready in here. Some finely chopped onions and finely chopped green chilli. A little bit of Kashmiri chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. Eggs and milk. So let's start making the omelette. Into a bowl I've taken one egg. I'm making a smaller quantity. I've given the larger quantity ingredients in the description box. So I've broken the egg in here. I've got my oats here. Let's add the onions and green chilli. The chili powder, salt and pepper. And give it a nice mix. I'm using a whisk here so that we can beat the egg properly. You can also put this into a mixie and make a paste out of it. Once the egg is nicely beaten, let's add the oats flour little by little. Make sure there are no lumps. Now everything is mixed nicely. But as you can see, it's a little thick in consistency now. That's the reason we have kept the milk handy. We pour some milk into this. Let's pour the rest of the milk. So the mixture is ready. Now let's heat a tawa pan and make the omelettes. I've greased a pan with some oil and it's nice and hot. Let's pour the batter into this. Let it cook from the bottom until it is golden brown. I've covered it with a lid so that it cooks properly. It looks like it's cooked from the bottom, so let's just flip it over. So the oats omelette is ready. Now you can have it as it is, or you can serve this with some green chutney for some added taste. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.